Then so everyone here, so like this up to the ending of that, then you have to check every digit. If all digits are same, then we should have to give the sign symbol here equal to. Okay, Harini? Harini, are you understanding? Harsha? Now, shall we go to the exercise part here, practice time 1. So, ascending order and descending order, all I hope that everyone have known that. Ascending order means they will give 5 or 6 numbers to you. Then that numbers you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. First number it should be the very smallest. From then to you have to go to the largest. That kind of arranging the numbers is called the ascending order. Okay, and descending order means descend means going down. Okay, going down. The numbers which we are arranged from biggest to smallest. From biggest to smallest is called that kind of arranging of the order is called the descending order. Now, okay, dear children, now everyone have a look on the screen, dear children, please. See, practice time 3. Please, everybody have a note. Please note down in your notebook. Practice time 3. Okay, what is that? Practice time 3. So from that A Roman, you have to write down the A Roman. What is that? Compare the following numbers and insert greater than and less than and or equal to in the space provided. So first of all, you have to check these two numbers. First number. First problem, they have given two numbers. No, first one is 91 lakhs 23,451 and second number is 6 crores 79 lakhs 86,010. So which number will you give, dear children? Greater than or less than? What 3, 4, 5 problem you have sent? Okay, later we can check Rohit. First of all, we can go to the practice time 3 here. First problem I have sent you to you. Then you have to give which symbol, dear children? Less than or greater than? I want the quick answers from your side, dear children. Very good, Khaja Farid. Because here, first number is here, which this is the 7-digit number and second number is greater than. So when we are compared to these two numbers here, first number is less than the second number. So we should have to give the symbol here less than. Okay. Now tell me the second. Note down in your notebook. This is second problem also. 7 crores 98 lakhs 41,668. And the second number is 8 crores 17 lakhs 90,601. So from these two numbers, which sign will you give, dear children, here? Less than or greater than? Less than or greater than? How do you say that it is greater than? Both are 8-digit numbers only, no? But here, how do you say that it is greater than symbol, Khaja Farid? So check the first digit here. 7. And the second number, from the second number, first digit is 8. Harshavardhan, sit properly. Why Harshavardhan? Sit down in one place and listen carefully. So, which symbol we have to give here, dear children? Please send the message to me. Okay, dear children, please tell me here which symbol we should have to give here. 9, 8, ma'am. That side is 17. No, I'm speaking about 9, 8. How is it, dear? See here, second problem. It started from 7 crore. and the second number is 8 crore. So which number is greater than? Very good, Harsha. Greater than symbol we should have to keep here. 7 is greater than 8 only, no? Okay. Khaji Farid, yours only correct here. 7 is less than the 8. Very good. Superb. Less than only it will come. So now next here, third problem. 51 lakhs 84,321, and the second side is 46 lakhs 64,893. So which symbol will you give, dear children, here? Less than or greater than? No, Rohit, it's not less than, because first number is bigger than the second number, no? So we have to give here symbol greater than. Okay, 51 lakhs 84,321 is greater than 46. Very good, Khaja Farid. 46,000 64,893. Okay, what about the fourth problem, dear children? For the fourth problem, which sign will you give here? Okay, good, Harsha. For the fourth problem, which symbol will you give? 9 crores 14 lakhs 83,780, and the second side what it has? 9 crores 79 lakhs. Very good, Khaja Farid. Less than, because here when we are checking to the fourth problem, here both numbers started with 9 only, 9 crores only. We have to check the second digit. So when we are checking to the second digit here, 1 is less than 7 only, no? Very good, Harsha. 1 is less than 7 only. So we have to give here which symbol here? Less than. Okay. Okay, Rohit, very good. Nasreen, hi Nasreen. Nasreen, are you able to hear my voice to you? Now, okay. Anyhow, now we can go to the next Roman. Write the following in ascending order. So they have given how many numbers here? 4 numbers have given to you. From then to ascending means which number do we have to take? We have to check first of all which is the smallest number, and from then to you have to go to the bigger number. Okay, so they have given the ascending order and descending order has given 71 lakhs 46,891, 8 crores 17 lakhs 68,940, 9 crores 41 lakhs 68,432, and 89 lakhs 76,843. So which is the smallest number, dear children, here? From this 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? Tell me. Please send me the message which is the smallest number. Hi Nasreen. Nasreen. This is the smallest number. Once again check it, Khaja Farid. Very good, Harsha. 76, where is it? 71. 71 lakh 46,891. So after that, which is the biggest number? Nasreen, are you able to hear my voice? Why are you not joining from those days? Okay, Rohit. Charge it and listen. Rohit, why are you not joining? Okay, Khaja Farid, it's correct answer. First number is 71 lakhs 46,891. This is the smallest number. After then, this which number it will come? 89 lakhs 76,843. After then, which number it will come? Okay, good. Good, Rohit. Please send me the message, and after this number, which is the biggest? So here 89 lakhs 76,843 after which number it will come? 8 lakhs 8 crores 17 lakhs it will come, or 9 crores 41 lakhs it will come. Okay, dear children, please send me the message. So here 89 lakhs after it will come the 8 crores. So 9 crores less than the 8 crores. No, so we should have to take here 8 crores 17 lakhs 68,940. This one now it will come. After then 9 crores 41 lakhs 68,432 it will come. Okay, like this only, dear children. Remaining 2 problems are did. Then so remaining 2 also you have to complete it, this one. So here C Roman also is there, dear children. Descending order is there. So you should have to complete it, this ascending order and descending order. These 2 Romans you have to do it as a homework for you. And I hope that everyone have known that how do you frame the numbers, a greater number and the smallest number. Already these topics you have learned in the previous, in the lower classes, means in the 4th class. So once again I am giving to you. So here for example, if they are given any 5 digits like 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in that, which is the smallest greater number, biggest number, that one we have to then. From then to smallest number you have to arrange it. That we get that this is the largest 8-digit number it will come. For example, if they are given, they will start from, okay, anyhow tomorrow I will explain to you how do you frame the largest number and the smallest number and the successor and predecessor. I think already you have known that successor and predecessor. Successor means after number it will come. Predecessor means before numbers it will come. So these 2 Romans also I will send it to you, dear children. So successor and predecessor and ascending and descending order. These 2 Romans you have to complete it as a homework, dear children. Okay, thank you for attending the class, and don't skip the classes every day. Regularly you have to attend the class, and after then Sunday. On Sunday you have one of the worksheets. I will send it to you on these topics what we have completed in this week. Okay, thank you, dear children, for attending the class. Bye.